Packaging artwork revisions don't have to mean downloading files, digging through folders, and re-uploading manually. This is Lightbox, Cway native desktop client. Let me show you how it works. Inside Lightbox, you see all the artworks across your organizations in one place, each with its current status, rejected, for review, shipped, unstarted. You can also see who has what checked out, so there's no risk of two people working on the same file at the same time. To get started, just hit Checkout. Once checked out, Lightbox creates a local folder for this artwork on your machine. Hit Reveal in Finder and you'll see a clean, predictable structure. Source, Preview, Delivery, Resource, and if the artwork is linked to Active Packaging and Brand Studio, a reference folder with the brand assets already in place, ready to use. No hunting for files, everything is where you'd expect it. Open the source file from the reference folder into Illustrator. You're working in your native environment. Make your changes, work the way you always do. When you're done, save the updated file into the root source folder with a new version number, then export a low-res PDF and save it into the preview folder. That's the trigger. Lightbox detects the new file in preview and marks the artwork as modified. This is one of the things designers appreciate most about working with Lightbox. There's one source file, one clear version. Back in Lightbox, hit Check-in Changes. Add a comment if you want to note what changed, then hit Check-in. The new revision is now live in Cway, visible to your team, versioned, and ready for the approval round. No browser tab switching, no upload forms, no lost files. Check out, edit, save to the right folder, check in. That's the whole workflow. Lightbox keeps your process organized and your team in sync, while you stay in the tools you know best.